Hi, this is iFlight. Welcome to Nazgul Evoque F5V3 tutorial. This tutorial includes content as below. 1. Overview. 2. O4 Air Unit Pro activation and FPV goggles binding. 3. LRS, TBS binding and RC link instruction. 4. DJI FPV controller and FPV goggles binding. 5. Betaflight setup. 6. Geometry switching instruction. 7. Propellers installation. 8. Pre-flight check. 9. Possible reasons for successful binding, but failure to arm. Nazgul Evoque F5V3 is a high-performance and agile FPV drone. The innovative switchable DC and X frame, designed with board electronics, for safe and stable operation across various flight scenarios. Upgraded front-mounted air unit design reduces interference, with cleaner and more organized wiring, with innovative fin-shaped cooling channels and dynamic LED lighting effects. It delivers both striking aesthetics and outstanding performance. The full injection-molded components enhances durability and quality. Equipped with DJI O4 Air Unit Pro with 4K 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV. It offers remarkable performance in low-light and night environments. Whether you're a professional pilot chasing precise control or a hobbyist seeking immersive fun, this drone is intuitive to master, empowering you to explore diverse flying styles and unlock endless aerial enjoyment. Now, let's explore the accessories in the Nazgul Evoque F5V3 pack. 1. Nazgul Evoque F5V3. 2 CW propellers. 2 CCW propellers. 2 antennas. 1 battery pad. 2 battery straps. 1 accessories pack. 1 sticker. 1 safety warning card. 1 disclaimer. 1 after-sales service card. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will introduce O4 Air Unit Pro activation and FPV goggles binding.